Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Ticketmaster, full guide step by step clearly. First, create an account on Ticketmaster if you haven't already. Verify your account through the confirmation email sent to you. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features. Next, research the events in your niche or genre that have high demand. Identify your target audience and understand their preferences. Set competitive pricing for your tickets to attract potential buyers. Use social media platforms to promote your events effectively. Create engaging content with visuals and compelling descriptions. Consider utilizing paid advertising on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your industry to broaden your reach. Monitor local trends and adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Set up pre-sales for exclusive access to tickets to build anticipation. Implement email marketing campaigns to keep your audience informed. Build partnerships with local businesses or media outlets for cross-promotion. Always provide exceptional customer service to encourage repeat customers. Analyze sales data regularly to track performance and identify areas for improvement. Consider offering promotions or discounts for bulk purchases. Utilize Ticketmaster's promotional tools, such as add-ons and upsells. Create a sense of urgency through limited-time offers. Utilize QR codes for easy access to your events when advertising. Explore utilizing Ticketmaster's analytics to better understand buyer behavior. Ensure your event page is visually appealing and user-friendly. Highlight positive reviews and testimonials to build credibility. Regularly update your audience with event details and changes. Experiment with different marketing strategies to see what works best. Finally, always be prepared for post-event feedback to enhance future sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.